Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson, and right now I am working on the biggest project of my life. It's a 1913 craftsman-style home down in Long Beach. Picked it up a few years ago, and there's a lot of fun parts about it and some really not fun parts about it. Replacing the foundation, not so fun. Working on the Murphy bed stalls, really interesting stuff. We've got 2 Murphy bed frames. Have no idea what size mattress they used back in 1913 because it doesn't exist today. So I'm trying to figure out how to get that to work. And I've got a bunch of original wooden wheels that sort of work, but don't really work. And I'm trying to figure out how to keep them and restore them. I've had people tell me just to go and buy new wheels to replace them, but that's not that fun. So I'm doing a lot of MacGyvering, troubleshooting, and scratching my head type stuff. When it comes to power tools, string trimmers, leaf blowers, hedge trimmers, you name it, I've done it. I grew up landscaping, and way back when, my parents didn't give me the option of using those electric or gas powered tools. They said, here's a push mower, here's a rake, here's a broom, and gloves for those hands. Eventually we did get a gas powered mower, but still the rake, the broom, those were the tools that we used to clean everything up and make everything look nice. Ripping out the grass along the lines, along the walkways, that's what we did. Since then, I've been able to upgrade to a leaf blower, a string trimmer, a hedge trimmer, and it is an absolute breeze when it comes time to cleaning up the yard and doing maintenance. So I've got some video of me in action. Check it out.